Hi, this Rutgers Libraries video is a brief introduction to finding and using statistics. You've chosen your topic area and done some background research to better understand the topic broadly. After you formulate your research question, it may be a good time to find some statistics. Statistics can provide evidence that a problem actually exists and describe its effects. Statistics can condense large amounts of information into more manageable pieces. For example, if you were looking at student exam scores, it is unlikely you would want to include all of those scores in your narrative. You would want to include a statistical analysis of the scores. There are a few best practices when using statistics. For example, when you use statistics on a dataset, it should include the mean and probably the standard deviation. This is the minimum information needed to get an idea of what the distribution of your dataset might look like. How much additional information you include is entirely up to you. In general, use the data that fully describes your topic. More data is not necessarily better. Also, think about your reader. If you include statistics that many of your readers wouldn't understand, consider adding the statistics in a footnote or appendix that explains it in more detail. And if you have lots of statistics to report, you may want to present them in tables or some other visual form. Then highlight statistics of interest in your text. Similar to news articles, social media posts, and information you find on the internet, you need to determine if the data in your research comes from authoritative sources and consider possible bias. One way to approach this is to choose your data from known reputable sources. The data resources in your research guide are primarily government or academic institutions with a high level of authoritativeness. One helpful resource is the National Center for Education Statistics, or NCES, which is the primary federal entity for collecting and analyzing data related to education. The link to NCES is in your research guide. Once you land on the NCES homepage, click on the link Data and Tools, which brings you to a list of topic-specific tools. One helpful tool on the list is DataLab. Click on the DataLab link. On the DataLab landing page, you can choose from the topics on the left. Let's choose Special Education, then Programs and Services. The results include 20 different datasets, including the Schools and Staffing Survey and the School Survey on Crime and Safety. If you are looking for statistics related to politics, social trends, the media and news, or public policy, check out the Pew Research Center website and click on the tab Datasets. If you're facing a hurdle finding the information you need, or have any other questions about statistics resources, librarians are here to help. Click on the Ask a Librarian button next to or underneath the quick search box on the library's website. You can reach a librarian through live chat from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week, or by email or phone. You can also check out our other tutorials for quick and easy help.